you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream.
I'm going to start with moisturizing my hair using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is honestly the best thing ever. It just really moisturizes my hair, and my hair struggles with moisture. So I'm just going to take a handful, okay, not a handful, that much, and I'm just gonna smear it all over my hair, just a little bit. I don't want to drop this because it's expensive, okay? So I will admit my hair is not super clean, but who cares? I just want to get through another few days without washing my hair, and this is what it has come to. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Eco Styler gel. This gel is the truth when it comes to laying down your hair. Now I'm just going to hold my hair in a ponytail, and I think I'm gonna do this in sections because I really do struggle when I decide to do it like all at once. So I'm just gonna go section by section, and hopefully that makes things easier. So I'm gonna go in with my gel. Then I'm gonna brush the gel in. And then I'm just holding this with my hair tie right in the middle. I hope that's in the middle. The hair that is left isn't too bad. I need to comb my hair honestly, but I just don't see it being a mood. I'm going in with a numerous amount of gel, because why not? Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of gel. I'm just brushing in this gel now. That way my hair really stays laid. And I'm just gonna hold it all up. Is your ponytail even a ponytail if it doesn't give you like a mini facelift? Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think plans would come true. Nope. I have to pull that halfway through. I'm gonna adjust this because I only want to pull it halfway through. So you have something like this. I'm going to add a bit more gel. That way it just stays snatched and laid to the gods. I can literally feel my face being pulled into oblivion, but it's all going to be worth it. Okay. Just don't do this hairstyle quite regularly because it is going to snatch out your edges. Just save it for those special occasions you want to look extra fire for, okay? Not every day, because this will pull your hair out. Taking a toothbrush, I'm just going to dip into my gel and lay some of my edges. Just have a snatch going on everywhere. Nothing too crazy though, because you don't want to look insane. If I could take you up in boom, 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 boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think plans would come true. And I think my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream. Now that everything seems okay, I'm going to go in with my scarf. And I'm going to have this on for about 30 minutes or 20 minutes, even 10 minutes will work fine. So we can have a snatched, very snatched, and I mean snatched hairstyle. So just tie it as tightly as you can, but don't like suffocate your brain. Let's leave this on for about 10 to 20 minutes and then we're gonna see what happens next. The snatch is coming your way, fam. While my hair sets, we're going to move on to making the ponytail, and all you need is basically any hair you want to make your ponytail with. and a hair tie. All I'm doing here is I'm tying the hair around my hair tie. That way I can make kind of like a drawstring, but it's not really a drawstring. So yeah, just wrap it around your hair tie until it's full to your satisfaction. I made mine quite full, but it's all up to you. Whatever amount of hair you want to use, it's your ponytail, you do whatever you want. Once you're done, this is what your ponytail should look like, and we are now ready to install this bad boy and look bomb as hell. It's now time to take off this scarf. Hopefully my hair is set. Ooh, I'm getting a peek and she cute. She laid. Oh, it's kind of stuck. I hate it when that happens. I also did my eyebrows, by the way, while I was watching The Office, in case you're wondering what's different. I got brows now. Anyway, I'm now going to take my ponytail and we are going to install this. This is literally the easiest thing ever. And all I'm going to do is I'm gonna put my ponytail around my actual hair. And as you can see, that's looking kind of weird. Kind of weird, don't worry. I'm gonna wrap it around twice. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this to the back because she's not looking cute. And I'm gonna cover my actual hair with the hair. I'm gonna try make this look natural. Of course it's not natural, but no one needs to know that, okay? And I'm gonna take a strand of this hair and all I'm doing is I'm wrapping it around the base of my hair. And yeah.
Tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Plans would come true.
Okay, so let's take this out. Now that the ponytail is out, we're going to move on to doing the second style, which is basically a low ponytail. So if that's what you're into, this is going to be the perfect style for you, I promise you. So for this one, we're just going to sleek down the hair. Hopefully this gel doesn't get too much in our way. I'm just going to do like a side part on my head. I don't know how this will go because I have gel in my hair. I don't know how this will go. I'm going to spritz some water onto my head because the gel is really in there. So that I loosen it up a bit, hopefully. Okay, yeah, that's working, kinda. Okay, we have a solution. So I'm just dissolving, kind of dissolving the gel. I'm just going to brush down my hair. So I'm just going to add a bit more gel to my hair, just at the top. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay. I'm just gonna hold this in a low ponytail. Oh, that is laid. Look at that hair, honey. Oh, Lord. That is sleeked down. Okay? She is sleeked down. Do you guys think I would look good shaven? Let me know in the comment section down below. This is cute. This is kind of a look. I'm kind of tempted to not cut off my hair. I don't think I look too bad. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm going to put the back of my hair in a small bun, just like we did with the top bun. I'm now going to tie my scarf to lay down my hair. That way it stays snatched as per usual. Who says per usual? I am so sorry. I am so sorry. So I'm just gonna tie that. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and be right back. Don't miss me too much. So guys, it's been about 10, 20, maybe 45 minutes. I actually went and watched an episode of Grey's Anatomy and I started crying, and now I have tears in my eyes and my makeup is kind of weird, but that's not the point. Our hair should be laid by this point, so I'm just going to take off my scarf. Oof! Honey child, would you look at that? Oh my goodness, that is so flat. This is goals. This is literally goals. I don't care what you say. Anyway, I'm going to take my, I don't know what that was, I'm so sorry. I'm going to take my ponytail. I'm just going to attach this to my very small bun. And hopefully it stays wrapped around my hair. I'm gonna loop it twice. And then I'm gonna cover my bun with all this hair. That way she's not peeking through and letting people know that this is not my hair. 2019 is a year of slay. Like, I don't understand why you're still in 2018 not slaying life. Like, no one needs to know that your 4C hair ain't that long. That's none of their business. So, fake it till you make it, boo-boo. Fake it till you make it. And that's literally it. Just attach it, you're good. You're good. Just make sure this one come out. In case someone wants to pick a fight with you, you can, you know, you can check her without losing your ponytail. Anyway guys, that is it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me slay this hair in 2 different ways. Please make sure you thumbs up this video because I may not have edges after this. And yeah, just show some love. Show some love for my edges so that they cannot leave me by tomorrow morning. I hope I wake up with edges. Having said that, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you being here. I don't know why I was leaning to the left. Everything you own in the box to the left. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and that I will catch you, ma'am or sir, in my next video. Until then, take care of yourself, slay your life, pay your taxes. I'm out.